Hello everyone, welcome back to Mira's Tiny Garden. Here is a crepmartle tree. I bought it 4 years before from a local market. Now it is growing very well. Branch ramification is good. Firstly, I will defoliate all the leaves to get more branch ramification. We can defoliate leaves by pinching or using a scissor. It's done. Lots of reduces. Now I will cut off the tips of the tiny branches. I never miss a chance to practice wiring. I don't have any bonsai of weeping style. Weeping trees have branches that droop towards the ground, so before get the final shape of the tree, I will practice weeping style. It's done. How is it? Let me know in the comment box below. As you can see, I had cut the branches shorter than before. New shoots are growing with nice fresh green color. It is growing very fast and full of leaves. Here I changed my mind and I removed a top branch and rearranged the position of these branches to form a canopy. I am trying to develop a pet out of these branches. I will show you updates of further development later, maybe after 6 months. Here is another tree that is ficus benghalensis. I pruned 2 branches for more branch ramification. After few months I got 4 branches. After a year again I pruned 4 branches to get 8 branches. In this twice X process I will create an umbrella shape canopy. That's all for today. If you like it, please do subscribe, like and share it. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.